Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a rainbow. You can use a pencil, marker, whatever you have at home that you're comfortable using. First I'm going to make a C shape. And then a U to connect that C. And another U. And another U. Now we're starting to look like a backwards C. And then go up and around, a big N. And one more. Now I'm going to try to draw another cloud directly across the other side. So I'm going to make another C shape. Now I'm going to look at the height. All right, I'm going to try to make it look as high as the one to my left. There we go. And another C. My next one is going to look like a U. And then a backward C to close this cloud up. Next, we're going to make some archways. So we're going to go from one side to the other. Whoop. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do one more, and 6. To color, you can use markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have at home that you're comfortable with. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.